Hello and welcome to Cards of Destiny, and you're watching Payal on Sunrise TV, and I'm glad to be again with you today. First and foremost, I would like to wish you a Merry Christmas to all the lovely viewers and wish you a lovely future as well. As you see, a lot of gifts and all bells and everything along with me. This is just to bring a very good luck to you and your future. I definitely want that हर एक की ज़िंदगी में इस तरह से बेल्स और इतनी सारी गिफ्ट्स मिले आपको ज़िंदगी भर की, आप खुशियों से भर जाए आपकी ज़िंदगी, एंड with lots of good wishes from me and Sunrise to you again. जैसे हम हर शाम की शुरुआत करते हैं शुक्रवार का बर्थडे से करते हैं, जैसे आपको पता ही होगा कि मैं बर्थडेज नहीं छोड़ती हूँ, तो आई वुड लाइक टू विश ईच एंड एवरी व्यूअर्स whoever is born on 23rd of December a lovely birthday to you from me and Sunrise as well. तो हमारे calls already शुरू हो चुके हैं, but I'll take a quick look on the birthday for 23rd people who are born today on this particular day, and as well as the date which is 23rd December 2011, which is a closing year as you all know. So we'll have a quick look on 23rd December people कि आज उनकी पूरा जो साल है फ्रॉम 23rd December 2011 to 2012 कैसे रहने वाला है. So we'll have a quick look. So I'll choose a card which is 23rd since it's the same date. Oh, I made a mistake, so let me count again. And 23. So this is card number 23. So let's see the future of the birthday people who will be along with us for the entire year, and how the coming year is going to be good for them, and what are the changes which is going to be there along with their future, as well as the health prospect, and with respect to the financial gains, and married life, or rather I would say people who are single, for them a married destination. So here we have all the cards ready, and I'll go along with each card. As you can see on the screen as well, the card which talks about ordinariness, which is more like a person who is very simple, and I am sure that the 23rd December people are very simple living people. And if you are, then you must call me and tell me that yes, you are what you are. And the best thing about them is like they are God fear people, so that's very good thing which I again notice in the card. However, I also see something which is not very positive in the card in terms of कि मुझे कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा लग रहा है कि कुछ चीज़ों से वो लड़ रहे हैं ज़िंदगी में, कुछ परेशानियां हैं उनकी ज़िंदगी में. अगर समझो कि आपकी ज़िंदगी में 3 साल से परेशानियां हैं, तो you still have to work for another 5 years, to overcome those problems which you've been facing at this moment. Or in case, I would say that if you already been faced for last 8 years certain problems of your life, then I see a good sign of your future. But in case if it's not happened, I see another 7 to 8 years of your life being a little on a struggling point. मैं एक चीज़ कहना चाहूँगी 23rd December की बर्थडे पीपल के लिए कि just try and avoid taking decisions in long runs in terms of जो भी आपने सोचना है कि मैं कल करूँगा या करूँगी या कुछ देर बाद करूँगा या करूँगी, तो वो आपको पोस्टपोन नहीं करना है. You have to make a very quick decision, which my card number 3rd says that you don't have to postpone your decisions in your life. You have to be very quick and very speedy in understanding the relationships or the importance of life. However, I see a very good future along with money. I see certain financial gains from the investments you have done, but at the same time I also see people who are doing business in terms of fluctuation of the financials, I mean to say in stock exchange, और जो लेन देन की ज़्यादा काम करते हैं. तो मुझे कहीं लग रहा है कि उनके यहाँ पैसे को लेके थोड़ी सी ब्रेक होने वाली है for some time. But don't worry, because that will be a very low period of time, and it will give you good prospect in future as well. So again, I would like to wish you a lovely birthday, along with lots and lots of good wishes from me and Sunrise to you, and I hope you enjoy each day and every day of your life. Thank you so much. Now we go to the caller who is waiting on the call for us, and I will just tell you a small terms and conditions regarding the call is that you don't need to give your date of birth, no time, no place of your birth, nothing at all. It's just a question that I need from you, which is important for me to answer you and solve your problems in terms of whatever I can do. So I would just like one thing of yours is just give me a call, and you have a number which is mentioned on the screen to help you again. So we'll go to the first call. Hello.
हेलो
Yeah, hi.
हेलो मैं अपनी बेटी ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਪੁੱਛਣਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿਆਹ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਈਅਰ ਹੋ ਜਾਊਗਾ
उनका नाम बताएंगे आप?
ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਦਾ ਇਨੀਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਜੇ
जे जे ओके.
ਐਂਡ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਲੜਕਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਹੈ ਉਹਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਵੀ ਜੇ ਆ
सॉरी क्या नाम है वो लड़के का?
लड़के का नाम भी आगे से जे
जे है, तो जे एंड जे. ऑलराइट. तो हम लोग, तो आपको ये देखना है कि लड़का कैसा है या ये देखना है कि उनका
बन जाएगी.
अच्छा, दोनों की बात. तो मिस जे और मिस्टर जे.
जय
ओके, जस्ट चूज वन नंबर दीदी, 1 to 79 के बीच में.
ओके. पहले लड़की के लिए
नहीं, एक ही नंबर आप चूज कीजिए, कोई भी एक. 15. ओके, ऑलराइट. ये आपका 15 नंबर है. तो मैं ये देखूंगी कि उनका रिलेशंस कैसे रहेगा. बराबर, ठीक है. ये इनकी बातचीत काफी लंबे समय से चल रही थी.
नहीं, अभी तो बात नहीं अभी बनी. अभी किसी ने बोला है कि है लड़का तो उसका नाम ऐसे है.
क्या आपकी बेटी का कहीं टूटा तो नहीं बोल सकते, लेकिन कोई अफेयर या ऐसा कुछ था जो आप जानते हो?
नहीं है.
नहीं ना. ओके. मुझे सॉरी, मुझे ये कहना पड़ेगा कि मुझे बात जमती हुई, मतलब जमती भी रहेगी, लेकिन कुछ सालों के लिए मुझे नहीं लग रहा है कि उनकी शादी होगी. मतलब देयर इज गोइंग टू बी अ स्मॉल ब्रेक बिफोर द मैरिज इन टर्म्स ऑफ, मतलब कुछ सालों तक शायद वो मिलते भी रहेंगे या अच्छी तरह से एक दूसरे को जानते भी रहेंगे, जो भी है, लेकिन मुझे नहीं लग रहा है कि इमीडिएटली उनकी ब्याह होने वाली है. आई सी अ लॉन्ग टर्म ब्रेक इन बिटवीन. अगर आपकी बेटी को ऑलरेडी ब्रेक हो चुका है किसी के साथ,
कोई ऐसा
नहीं हुआ है ना, तो हाँ जी, तो फिर शायद आप, sorry, actually the line has got disconnected, but still since I've removed the cards, और अगर दीदी हमारी सुन रही है टेलीविज़न पे, तो मैं बताना चाहती हूँ कि यहाँ पे एक छोटी सी ब्रेक है उनकी, मतलब लड़के को मिलने के लिए, जहाँ पे मुझे कम से कम 3 साल की ब्रेक लग रही है. तो मे बी आई थिंक मेरे कार्ड्स में ये भी नहीं दिख रहा है कि वेदर वो लड़का सही है कि नहीं, क्योंकि मुझे कहीं भी मैरिज कार्ड्स नहीं लग रहे एट दिस मोमेंट. और मैं तो ये भी एडवाइस करूँगी कि हो सके तो कोई और भी रिश्ता आप ढूंढते रहिएगा कि शायद कहीं बेटर हो जाए उनसे. या सो अगेन आई वुड से थैंक यू फॉर कॉलिंग, और इनकेस कुछ और आगे पूछना हो तो वो बेशक हमें वापस फ़ोन कर सकते हैं, आपसे बात कर सकते हैं, एंड आई विल बी हैप्पी टू टॉक टू हर अगेन. Yeah, so I'm sorry. So I was saying about the rules and regulations of calling on this number, which is 0906 570 0014. That's in front of your screen. The only thing what you need is just your initial. It could be anything, or on the basis of initial we'll speak to you. You ask me a question, I answer to you that question, and it's not that it would be 100% accurate. It could be 99% or 99.9%, but however the way you frame the questions and you ask me, on that framing we give you the answer. The best thing is, since the questions and answers are related to the present scenario, okay, what I do is with the help of the 11 cards, we remove the cards, we help you to go across each and every card's explanation, how does it talk to you sorry, and how does it go about. In fact, I would like to also say is that you don't need any of your personal details in this, nor your date of birth, nor your time, nor your place of birth. Just one thing what we need is your call. Sorry, I think there's some problem. I had too much of sweets right now. because of Christmas. Maybe we have a callers ready. We'll go to the next caller and speak to. Sorry, again. However, I would just say one more thing is till the time the call gets connected to me, I would say is everybody should enjoy the moments you have in life. जैसे अभी क्रिसमस का महीना है, क्रिसमस के दिन बहुत नज़दीक है, 1-2 दिन बाकी है, तो मैं तो यही कहूँगी कि जितने भी लोग उदास है या कुछ मतलब there could be a lot of people on this earth who does not have friends, to give gifts, and who doesn't have people to share. So the best thing is you go and shop for yourself, and that I feel at times is very important to feel yourself wanted, required. So I would just say happy Christmas to each one.